Imagine this. Before everything began, there was no light, no sound, no time, not even the concept of nothingness itself. There was only formless chaos, darkness covering the deep. And it was into that very void that the first sentence of the Bible quietly fell. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. This is the opening of Genesis, the starting point of every story that follows. The Spirit of God moved over the surface of the waters. Then God spoke. He said, "Let there be light." And there was light. No tools, no materials. Just a single sentence. For the first time, darkness and light were separated. God looked at the light and called it day, and called the darkness night. This was the first day. On the second day, God created the sky, separating the waters above from the waters below, and called it heaven. On the third day, God said the waters should gather together so that dry land could appear. And so, for the first time, the ocean and the land had a boundary between them. God then caused the earth to bring forth grass, trees, and every kind of plant, each bearing seeds and fruit. For the first time, the world turned green. On the fourth day, God made the sun, the moon, and the stars, placing them in the sky to divide day from night, and to mark the seasons and the years. On the fifth day, God said the waters should teem with living creatures, and the sky should be filled with birds. And so, schools of fish swam into the sea, and birds spread their wings into the sky. On the sixth day, God created all the creatures of the land, livestock, wild animals, and every creeping thing, each according to its kind. Then God did something truly extraordinary. He said, "Let us make mankind in our image." So God shaped a human form from the dust of the earth and breathed his own breath into it. That being began to breathe, began to live. His name was Adam. God then took a rib from Adam and formed the first woman. Her name was Eve. God looked at everything he had made, light and darkness, sky and earth, sea and land, plants and living creatures, and this man and woman, and he said, "This is very good." This was the sixth day. On the seventh day, God rested. He created nothing more, but simply, quietly looked upon the world he had just brought into being. Later, this day would come to be known as the Sabbath. In the span of 6 days, everything came from nothing, from darkness into light, from emptiness into a world teeming with life. This is the picture that the opening of Genesis paints for us, the birth of the world itself. Whether or not you believe this to be literal history, this story asks one of the oldest and most profound questions of all. Where do we come from? Was this world brought into being with some kind of purpose? And do you believe that your own existence is, in itself, very good?